G'day everyone, Jono here from Nova Caravans and welcome to another week of Nova Caravans news. Now you may remember a couple of weeks ago we showed our crane lifting our walls onto the chassis. So this is what it looks like when the walls are on the chassis, and as you can see it's actually still a little bit flimsy. The reason for that is we're relying on all the furniture to make the product a lot stronger. Over here's our cabinet making department. Now we can't actually walk in there at the moment because the boys are still working, but as you can imagine, this is an overhead cupboard set up to go above a dinette. You can see where the stereo goes, we can see shelving, and that'll be actually screwed into the van from interior to outside to give it that extra strength. And as you can see over here, we can show a rear ensuite going in. You can see the fridge cavity, obviously a shower and toilet. So what happens from here is once all the furniture's in, then we go to the wiring process, and you'll see that very soon. Don't forget, travel safely and we'll see you next week.